Hello, I'm Charles Beeson with InstaCalm Anxiety Treatment. You may be wondering about the cause of your anxiety. Based on my experience, there are 4 primary factors that can cause an anxiety disorder. They are: number 1, a single traumatic event. The most obvious example is post-traumatic stress. PTSD involves experiencing or witnessing a life-threatening event or a sexual attack, as well as a severe reaction to a personal loss. Number 2, the next cause, and the most common, is a series of stressful life events. When you've had several stressful events that occur within a close time frame, or experience a string of severe losses, it can often result in the development of an anxiety disorder that can affect one's life. An example of this is a woman whose mother recently died. A month later, she had to put her beloved cat to sleep, and a few days later, she lost her job. She soon began experiencing severe nervousness and anxiety attacks. Number 3, following a panic attack. It is believed that almost every human being on the planet will experience a panic attack at some time in their lives. Such an occurrence can be triggered without an obvious reason. Possible triggers can be a stressful situation or during a time of physical weakness, which can be caused by having low blood sugar levels because you haven't eaten, or the side effects from a drug that you may have just taken. Later, a fearful anticipation occurs every time you have any kind of feeling that is perceived as the beginning of having another panic attack. This can trigger having another attack. The 4th cause is the genetic factor. It has been frequently observed that many individuals suffering with anxiety have a parent who also dealt with it. An indicator of this could be alcohol abuse, since many people self-medicate with alcohol to deal with their anxiety. The genetic factor means that you may have a greater sensitivity to the feeling of the brain chemicals related to fear. This makes the individual more susceptible to moderate and severe levels of stress and anxiety. Any of these causes, or a combination of these causes, can create many uncomfortable anxiety symptoms. We can group most of these common symptoms into 4 categories. They are cognitive, emotional, behavioral, and physical. Here are some examples of these symptoms. Cognitive, which is your thought process. These symptoms include having the inability to concentrate. You can become easily confused. You're having memory problems. You start thinking about negative thoughts all the time. Lots of negative self-talk. Then we have the emotional symptoms. When you're feeling angry, frustrated, irritable, sad, depressed, feeling fearful, guilty, feeling restless. Then we have the behavioral symptoms. You're having trouble sleeping, that's insomnia. When you're not making it to appointments on time. Maybe experiencing absenteeism from school or work. You could be having addictive or excessive behavior. And you begin having unhealthy eating habits. And many people experience taking risk-taking behavior. Our last and probably the worst symptoms are the physical symptoms. When you're having low energy, headache, and upset stomach, including diarrhea and constipation. Sometimes experiencing even nausea. You could have aches and pains, tense muscles, chest tightness, and rapid heart rate with difficulty breathing during an anxiety attack episode. You may have a loss of sexual desire. You may be experiencing nervous tension all the time, sometimes even shaking, ringing in the ear, cold or sweaty hands, and excessive sweating. You could be having a clenched jaw or even grinding your teeth at night while you sleep. In my next video, we will begin presenting techniques to stop these symptoms. Charles here with InstaCalm Anxiety Treatment. I hope you give my video a like and ask me any questions in the comment section. We have a lot more videos coming, so please subscribe to my channel so we can begin eliminating your anxiety right now. Thanks for watching.